Hey everyone, if you're wondering how to try out Webflow without committing financially, let's talk about how you can explore Webflow's features with their free starter plan. Let's get into it. So Webflow offers a free starter plan that allows you to create up to 2 projects. You can access the designer and CMS features. You can publish your site to a webflow.io subdomain. And to get started, you just have to go to Webflow's website and sign up for a free account. There's no credit card required. Begin creating and experimenting with the designer. There are some limitations in the free plan that includes limited CMS items. You may not be able to connect a custom domain, and Webflow branding on your published sites. If you need more features, you can always upgrade to a paid plan at any time. So while it's not a trial in the traditional sense, the free starter plan lets you experience Webflow's capabilities fully. All right. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Webflow tips. I'll catch you later.